Mobeetie started to come into existence in 1875 with the fort being established and the buffalo hunters coming down out of Kansas, and the Indians didn't like the hunters coming in on what they thought was their rightful buffalo hunting ground, and so they would have some skirmishes with the hunters.
Old Mobeetie is peaceful now. The American Legion planted these elms after the Second World War. They grow where the original courthouse stood. That courthouse was damaged in 1898 when a twister devastated the town.
There was 5 houses that wasn't touched. There was the jailhouse and the courthouse was both damaged.
Dale Corcoran and Jovan Zandt look after the old Mobeetie Jail Museum and other surrounding sites. Mobeetie had a reputation in the early days.
Cheyenne was about the only one that could hold a candle to how rough and tough Mobeetie was back there in the 1870s and 80s.
That's what Charles Goodnight said, who added it was patronized by outlaws, thieves, cutthroats, buffalo hunters, and prostitutes. Celebrated gunfighter Bat Masterson killed a man here.
His girlfriend, Molly Brennan, was stepped in front of Bat and took a mortal wounded bullet and died, and Bat got shot in the thigh and carried that bullet slug, I guess, the rest of his life, and limped but Bat shot and killed Army Sergeant Melvin King in that gun battle.
All these folks were supported by, or were supporting, Fort Elliot. There was even a regiment of buffalo soldiers. None of that remains now.
Well, I would have liked to have been able to see the town before it got blew away.
There was a town all down in through here, hotels and livery stables, drugstores, everything.
These days there's more civilization in New Mobeetie, but the spirits may reside in the old part of town. Larry Lemmons, Pronews 7.